पीटरबरा की अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पीटरबरा की सरजमीन और हमारी कम्युनिटी बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत कम्युनिटी है। इसमें स्टेज की जीनत हमारे हजरत अल्लामा हाफिज गुल मोहम्मद साहब। आप जैसे कि हम सब लोग ये बात करते हैं कि अपने बच्चों को दीन पढ़ाएंगे, दीन सिखाएंगे, इसलिए कि ये कल आने वाली हमारी जनरेशन के लिए असासा साबित हो। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे पास जिस तरह ये हजरत अल्लामा हाफिज गुल साहब की मिसाल है, हमारी दुआ है और कोशिश भी है कि हमारे सैकड़ों ऐसे हाफिज गुल पैदा और ऐसे ही हमारे एक और होनहार यंग माशाअल्लाह हाफिज उबैद साहिब, हमें इनका भी बड़ा फजल भी है और इनसे बड़ी तवक्कुआत भी है। मैं इनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि 1 मिनट के लिए तशरीफ लाएं और अपना खूबसूरत पैगाम 1 मिनट में दे दें, ताकि आपको कुछ एक झलक भी आपको पता चल जाए, दूसरा इनकी हाजिरी भी हो जाएगी। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि अपने वक्त के अंदर कोई खूबसूरत पैगाम, कोई मोती दे देंगे आपको। हाफिज उबैद साहब।
كلما ذكرك الذاكرون وكلما غفل عن ذكرك الغافلون وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. This was unexpected, and to speak in front of ulama is not our job, especially when we have Ustaz al-Ulama, Allama wa Maulana Hafiz Muhammed Saab al-Azhari, Allah in front of us, and he's going to deliver the real message. But my small request in this literally 1 minute sticking to my time is this: the value knowledge. Value knowledge, value knowledge, value knowledge. You know, in Peterborough, there's, and this is a bit tough, every time I've come here I've said something that has struck a nerve. But if I do that again, I've hit the right thing, and I just want you to understand this, that it's not out of malice, but rather it's out of pain for this deen that I say things like this. And my message today is value knowledge. Why? Because there's, after having gone out into the world in Nottingham, there's some certain people, they hold an opinion about us here, that those people and those groups and different things that don't work anywhere else, they work in Peterborough, and we end up causing ourselves problems. But the only solution to that problem is to seek knowledge. By Allah, you've been given a blessing here, and you've got a young imam, an imam with vision, who's backed by a whole team of ulama. A whole team of ulama that have been doing it for year upon year, year after year, over 30 years in this country, 40 years. And my message to you, especially the awam of Ghausia Masjid, is that value. Now pack out these masjids. Today we've got probably 40, 50 people here. This masjid should be full in a gathering like this. Our gatherings on knowledge, the Fardain course going on, the Ilmiya course going on, the madrasa classes going on, the classes for sisters, attend them, fill them. Because we're in a time where our iman is being attacked from every angle, and protect your iman. If not your iman, protect your children's iman. Because by Allah, the problem today isn't staying Sunni, it isn't staying Barelvi as has been our problem for the last 20 years, now it's staying Muslim. And if there's no other teaching that we learn from Ghausia Azam, and as I'm sure you'll hear or have heard so far, that the land Ghausia Azam inherited, Baghdad at that time, it was a mess. The Muslim Ummah was being attacked by the Crusaders. The Mongols had their effect on the Muslim lands. The Muslim lands were in ruins, but what did Ghausia Azam do? He spread knowledge in Baghdad. And he made Baghdad the center of learning, and it was and it still has been and always will be, inshallah, until Yawm al-Qiyamah. And we ask Allah that He allows us to seek knowledge and be mukhlis to knowledge. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He grants us all tawfiq and ikhlas in all that we do.
Great, very nice. ऐसे ही 2-4 हमें और हीरे मिल जाए ना, हमारी कम्युनिटी के बहुत से बड़े हो जाएंगे।